4:19 a.m. beneath Arctic ice, a civic printer edits one legal sentence and watches 3 civilizations flicker alive in the frozen walls. Davy Haase, in a Dutch-flagged research station, stamps rations, jury notices, and glacier relocation ballots onto the same sheet of carbon paper. Then he alters the emergency charter, defining who counts as resident, who may vote, and who must obey the evacuation siren. The ice answers with a lesson in social contract theory. What invisible bargain turns vulnerable strangers into a political community? In its simplest form, people surrender some freedom and accept shared rules so life becomes safer and more predictable. Philosophers care because this bargain underlies law, authority, punishment, rights, and the question of when obedience becomes submission. In one replay, the charter shields the frail, proving Hobbes right that order can rescue people from chaos and fear. In another, the ballots favor the loudest factions, echoing Rousseau's warning that society can disguise domination as agreement. In the third, alarms blare and nobody moves unless neighbors are watching, suggesting trust may depend less on principle than surveillance and pressure. Locke would insist governments are justified only if they protect life, liberty, and consent. But darker critics would note that no one signs the original contract at birth, yet everyone inherits its duties, debts, and exclusions. The frozen archive becomes a mirror, showing that every definition of citizen, outsider, and emergency rewrites the moral shape of freedom. So when you obey the rules, holding your world together, are you honoring justice, managing fear, or participating in a story powerful enough to keep peace?